We have this whole area here, and what we want to do is we want to shade it. And I want to shade all of this so that it's not, the sun's not beating down on it. We put this up for the shower, but we're going to put some eyelets, one in here, one in there, and then tie it off to these who are anchored in the ground with concrete. That thing's loud. So here's the one that we bought on Amazon. I think I saw some line on it, so we may be able to attach it. I'm hoping. I'm going to use these eyelets, trusty blade, try not to cut it, you know what I mean? Just got to get a hole, and I think I can get it open. All right, there we go. So now this is going to be a sunshade. It's gray, which means it's going to take a lot of heat. I think my honey didn't think that one through. Oh, look at it. So this is the way this looks. And we're going to stretch it out. Let's see what it says here. So it shows you, high, low, high. So we're going to do 2 high points like that, and then 2 low points down like that. So here it is. It does have this line in it, and I think it's separate. Yeah. All right, so we can use this, and there should be eyelets somewhere in here. All right, so we laid out the tarp, and we figured out how we were going to put it up there, and we stretched out to make sure it fit. And then, now we got to put it up there. I love working with my girl, man. She knows a lot about tools. She's like a genius when it comes to tools. Look at her.
You tighten this.
She's freaking strong. Right? Relax. There we go. Let's not lose that. So we always want to... Wait a minute. We always want to put the chuck back in the hole, so we don't lose it. All right, thank you. All right, so we got the big gun. Let's see if I can drill a hole in this thing. Well, we'll see what happens. Oh my God.
Looks like it's stand on it. That's all it's fit. Like
If you have the right tools, you can do any job. All right, give me this thing. Oh my God. Do I have to do everything? Apparently I do. My assistant's not very good at her job. Here they are. Set that back up there. All right, let's do this. Let's put one of these in there. Here, you can hold one.
you need a screwdriver.
I don't know if I do. I'm pretty strong. I'm gonna finger it in. So I think we're good. Is that drill, that bit is a lot smaller. So let's see how we do on getting this in there. I'm just gonna hand tighten it first, and then I'll use a screwdriver. Starting to go. All right, I'm getting it. Now I gotta use a screwdriver. All right. But because we're so close to the frickin' ceiling, it's going to be a pain in the butt. See if you can get me something oh Jesus.
What?
Something smaller, but long like that. Yeah, you need this. You need a big Black & Decker that kicks ass. This might work. We'll see. Ooh, yeah. It's not too bad. Oh shit, I almost fell. Old man on a ladder. Old man on a ladder. I was using all my strength and I almost fell off the ladder. Luckily I caught myself right beforehand. It's better just to get some young kid to do this shit. You know what I mean? It's ridiculous. I think that should do it. Yeah. What do you guys think? I think it's in there pretty good. I mean, I can go deeper maybe. Maybe one more turn. What do you think? I'm going to try to make it straight. Like this. Yeah, like that. All right, that looks good. That should work. Let's just get a tape measure and let's make it exact. Let's make it exact. We'll measure it.
No, that was fine.
No, it's got to be perfect because then you'll yell at me. I don't want to be yelled at.
Fine.
Don't want to be yelled at. So what I do is I kind of fucking thing. All right, so now I got the tape measure out, And I'm exactly 3.5 inches. 3.5 inches to the drill spot. All right, let's get the other one done. We're burning daylight. We're never going to get to the beach at this rate. This type of connector to that. And then we're going to stretch the thing across like this. There we go.
Yeah, just leave it now.
All right, we're going to leave it for now, apparently. She wants me to do that. All right, go ahead, pull it over. Pull it over. All right, there we go. So we're going to do that, and then I'll just tighten it up afterwards. She's going to pull it and mark it.
Perfect right here.
All right, we got to go 3.5 inches. I'm coming. Oh my God. Old man on roller skates. All right, so we got to figure out where we're at. I've got this. I'm going to go 3.5 inches. And then, go ahead and grab it, give it to me.
Because it's supposed to go right over here. No, it's supposed to, see, that's the thing. So
Yeah, it's not going to do that, look. See, now you've got to loop
well,
it.
but put it up because it's higher. Put it up where it goes. So, that's okay.
So I'm thinking here.
Yeah, that's okay.
All right.
That's okay, yeah.
Look at this ladder set up. Oh yeah. This is a trip to the hospital. Oh yeah.
Okay. Get on there and see. Yeah, that's fine.
All right. All right, so the key is I got to be about 8 inches over. So I got to be right here. I got to go down to right about there. All right, now you think that's good, right? So you saw the way I measured that. All right.
Yeah,
Right there.
plug it up. Close your eyes because I see it all blowing in your face.
I have my glasses on.
It doesn't matter.
You want me to? She wants me to close my eyes while I'm drilling.
Your face. Push. You think?
That's good.
Here.
Okay. All right. So here we go. All right, I need the screwdriver.
Where'd you put it? Any idea?
Oh, look, this is loose.
What?
This is not. I need a thicker one.
Is that a smaller one?
It must be.
Let me see it.
Yeah,
No,
must be.
that's the same size.
There's a thicker one in there. I'll get it. I need a thicker one.
Take this.
Damn it.
Take this.
I'm getting eaten up by mosquitoes. Oh my God. It's insane. See what?
Longer. I'm gonna have to leave it for a minute.
I went all the way in there. Probably be in the other room. Probably see it in the other room. Now it's getting tight. Question is, will that fit through this hole? I don't know.
What do you mean?
Let's see that.
Of course it was.
Okay, thank you.
I don't tighten it. We'll just do it after.
I don't know how deep I need to go with this because it's getting tight right now.
As long as it's tight, doesn't matter.
That might be good. Let's see if I can do one more. Oh God, this thing's in there. That is never coming out. All right, now I got to put this on. Okay, that's it.
All right, now.
We got it done.
Now, how are we gonna
Oh Jesus.
do this?
All right, so far so good. Now we just got to pull it all the way to the end here, over here, and tie it off on these, I guess. I could put eyelets in them, or I could dig a bunch of holes here and put posts. We'll see. She wants to double up everything because, you know, she's afraid it's going to blow away. If it gets too strong. Oh. What do you want me to do?
Put it over there in that corner.
Now what I could do is I could just drill holes in the top of this and put eyelets in both of those posts. And then you're set.
Yeah, then it's easy to take off with eyelets.
Yeah, but we need 2 more of those things and we only got them. So yeah, I could just drill it right on the, or I could drill it here. I could drill it on this side of it.
Right.
You know?
Yeah, like that. That's it.
All right. So I'm thinking I could put,
That's easier too for,
I could put one there and one over there.
Right.
And then that would do it.
Could add it
The
down.
whole idea is just to have some,
Yeah.
is to have some shade.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, I think that'll work.
Just
Now I'm going to go into wood, so I want a little bit smaller bit, and then I'm going to just screw this in, and we'll attach the things to the poles outside. So let's do that now. I'm going to drill right into here, and I think that's going to work. All right, so let's do it. They're 4x4s.
Oh, inside of it.
Otherwise, we couldn't do this.
I was wondering. Right. Okay. Make sure that's not too big of a hole when you try to screw it in firm, honey. Is it good?
Yeah, it's definitely not big enough.
That's good, right?
Yeah, that's a good hole.
Okay.
All right, so here we go. Okay, now we're going to put this in.
Too bad I didn't think about this 10 years ago. Damn it.
We did think about it 10 years ago. All right, now I need my screwdriver. All right, so I can take the screwdriver like this and just get it in. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And this is going right into wood. Ooh. Almost got my toe.
So actually straight up and down again too. Is that cool?
Jesus Christ. Slipsity-dipsity me.
It's grabbing, right?
Yep,
Okay.
right there.
Yeah.
Bam, done. All right, now let's go ahead and put that on there and see what we think. Two of them?
Yeah, two, because they're small.
There we go. I'll show you this closer. This is our idea. I don't know if it's going to work or not. What we did was we used these and just kind of hooked it on there. And that's inside. This is a 4x4 wood in here, so that should do it.
Don't I need a bigger S-clip, a better one?
No, it's okay. It'll work.
Okay.
Perfect right there. So keep your finger right there.
I got it. Just mark it with this.
We got the mark on it. We're just going to drill in there. And yeah. Okay. All right, here we go.
You can take me out of there.
Yeah, you're in it. All right. That's it. Look at that. How do you like those apples, huh? Check it out. Connection. Bam. Done. Let's go see how shady it is, all right? I think it's probably not even shady. All right, here we go. There it is, look. We're shady.
You got that end wrap that's not on the front.
Well, you can't have everything on it. Just don't put an end wrapped on there.
So,
All right, so far so good. Still working. Getting shade. Being shady. Let's go over here and see what it looks like. I mean, it could be tighter. But the idea is just to shade everything. And I think that's going to work nice. Oh yeah. That's it right there. That's how you do it.